Hello spinner, you're on Penstock channel about pen spinning. My name is Alex Lance and very frequently I get these questions. What are my favorite pen spinning tricks? I have already made a video about my favorite pen mods, by the way the set has a little bit changed, so probably soon I will make another such video. But now it's time to tell you about tricks themselves. Yes, pen mods form a decent part in our parallel world of pen spinning, but at least in my channel we are gathered here mainly for tricks. And after thinking over this topic I found that actually yes, I have favorite tricks, not only those which I currently learn. It was my usual reply on streams for this question, that my favorites are those which I am learning. Nope, there seem to be real favorite tricks, and I decided to compile them in these top 10 favorite tricks I like. And I will happy to see your personal trick stops in a comment section below. Doesn't have to be top 10, let's have top 5 or less your favorite pen spinning tricks in the comment section under this video. And well, yeah, here we go. Here's mine. 10th place, extended thumb round. I just love this trick. It not only replaces all the boring thumb round, it also forms every noob's favorite flex, tornado. But not only this, extended thumb round replaces Twisted Sonic in many tutorials. I know at least 2 incredible tricks which can be learned starting with Twisted Sonic, but starting with extended thumb round makes learning much easier. 9th place, Moonwalk Sonic. I just saw it in a Noel solo video and immediately fell in love. Maybe that's because of the way Noel performed it. I really enjoy the way he spins. And every time I do Moonwalk Sonic, it seems like I'm coming closer to his style. Maybe that's the reason I like this trick so much that I even placed it in this top. 8th place, number 8. Fingerless thumb around triggers. Not that I love this trick, but use it a lot. You wanna make thumb around triggers in your freestyle? In 95% of cases you will replace it with fingerless thumb around triggers. 95% is a lot. 70% of cases to use your thumb is fingerless thumb around triggers. Other 30% we reserve for extended thumb around.
Wait, what?
7th place, multiple busts. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love multiple busts? You? Who? I like them so much that once even have spent 10 hours straight on practicing and didn't improve at all. Perfect finisher. They also impress people around, so if you have already amazed them with Tornado and they get bored with it, multiple busts are your way to go. They work at full capacity. 100% of cases, that girl is yours. 6th place, Pinky back. Well, we use this finger not that much, and it is always good to make it work a bit, especially in such a good looking trick. To my mind it makes a perfect everything. Nice finisher, nice filler, nice highlight of a combo. Not that nice beginning though, yeah. Well, that's why it's only on a 6th place, okay? You should try harder, bro. Other fingers have much more in better places in this top. 5th place, 5th. I'm just proud of pronouncing this word. So, 5th place is Niusa. Yes, I love it. Haven't mastered yet, but love it. It feels like an around, top spin, power element combined together in an elegant move. Other tricks miss at least one of these components. 4th place, Shadow. Not only it has a very cool name, which to my mind doesn't tell anything about it, and it's kind of out of sense. I mean, what exactly connects this movement with Shadow? Anyway, it is also a milestone which separates average people who play with pens or pen mods from time to time from true adepts, those who truly enjoy pen spinning and will continue their progress. My mind brothers, citizens of our parallel world. Also, it is the first top spin tricks for most of people, and for me it was also the one. It was my first real tough trick. I don't remember now how much time it took me to master it, but it seemed to be months. And I like top spin tricks. Maybe Shadow played some role in it, and I will always keep a special place in heart for this trick. Bronze goes to Powerpass. I don't have much to say about it, just that it is not a power trick, neither is it a pass. It is a clear top spin tricks which combines perfectly with a lot of elements. It is a pure decoration of any combo and freestyle. Can be done fast, can be done continuously, can be done partially. Any type will look awesome. It also has a lot of variations, and I even joked about it in one of my videos. And still catch lulz when pros still think I can't tell finger pass from mirrored power pass. Yes, please leave a comment if you think so. It's been a while since last time I read a comment like this. Silver, 2nd place. I will give it to thumb spin. Yes, as I told before, I like top spin tricks, but also I like control. And among all top spin tricks, I think this one is easier to control, which makes it very addictive. Not only you can fluently integrate it in any freestyle or combo, it is an awesome way to pass time while watching South Park or doing some other stuff, like pretending to listen to your girlfriend, teacher, boss. It also looks amazing by its own, just like Tornado, but it's better. It's top spin. And you can start a whole bunch of different cool tricks from it. Extended thumb around, you can start Powerpass, kind of double thumb around, you name it, a lot of them. very integratable. And gold. Gold goes to Haitua, another milestone in my opinion. I don't really know why, but I always had some kind of dream flow. So after mastering Haitua, I was so goddamn proud of myself that just couldn't stop flexing with it. You can see me doing it in a lot of my videos, and yeah, I still continue to be proud of it. I just love how it looks. This power aerial vibe. Still working on double Haitua, and once I'll be done with it, guys, you're just gonna see it a lot. Sorry in advance.